If you're a fan of caramel custard or caramel pudding, then this is a definitely must try. Today, let's make tasty caramel bread and egg pudding. In a blender, you need to add in bread slices. Now, you need to add in milk. Now, bread slices, you don't have to cut the sides or edges or anything. Add the complete bread. Now, I'm adding in condensed milk or milk made. Now, this can be added as per your taste. If you like less sweet, you can reduce the quantity of the milk made or condensed milk. Now I've added in vanilla essence and I'm cracking in egg. Once you add this, blend it into a smooth paste or smooth slurry and keep it aside. Now let's make our tasty caramel sauce, for which in a pan I've added in sugar and water. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen. Now you need to melt the sugar until it turns dark brown and boils up like this. It just takes around 6 to 7 minutes. That's all. Just melt it until the sugar is completely boiled and the color turns dark brown. Once the color turns dark brown, switch off the gas and immediately transfer it to a serving bowl or small cups, whichever you're serving your caramel custard with. Just do this so that the caramel sauce is wherever you want. You can it comes to the edges as well. So keep on rolling the containers, or if you don't want to do that, just add how much ever you want and leave it. Now just wait for a minute and the caramel sauce will settle down. Now I'm adding in the mixture which we made. Now how we steam our idlis in a pot, you need to add in water and just you need to steam it the same way around 30 to 35 minutes or 40 minutes. Steam it, and now the caramel pudding is completely steamed. Now let it cool down and just keep it in the fridge for 2 to 3 hours, and your super tasty caramel bread and egg pudding is ready to serve. It is a very simple, very easy dessert with the minimalist ingredients. Just tastes like our caramel custard or caramel pudding. I would definitely recommend you to try this. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. As I always say, enjoy your food and enjoy. It's soft, fluffy and absolutely delicious. Try it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.